where did that come from? So the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Right. So from where does this C by 5 equals to F minus 32 by 9 comes, right? So the derivation of this formula comes from this. Uh, you have your temperature in Celsius scale. If C is your temperature in Celsius scale, C minus lower fixed point, C minus lower fixed point, let me write as lower fixed point. This has to be divided by lower fixed point divided by the fundamental interval, and this is equal to suppose your reading in Fahrenheit scale is F, is again F minus lower fixed point divided by again fundamental interval. So what do we get? So what do we get? C minus 0, C minus 0, because 0 is the lower fixed point in Celsius scale, divided by 100 is equal to F minus 32 lower fixed point of Fahrenheit scale divided by 180. So this is how this formula is derived. Now you can take any thermometer, right? You can take any thermometer, and if you know the value of the upper fixed point and the lower fixed point, you can easily find out the temperature in that scale if you know the value of the temperature in Celsius scale or in Fahrenheit scale. Understood? Am I clear to everybody or not?
Yes, sir.
Now there are some things in your here are two questions that you have to do. First question, how many degrees will the H mercury in centigrade thermometer will rise if it rises by 63 degrees in Fahrenheit thermometer? And the second is, what is the reading in centigrade thermometer if the reading in Fahrenheit thermometer is 63? In the second question, you can easily apply this formula. C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. And you will get your answer. C by 5 is equal to F is 63. 63 minus 32 is 31 divided by 9. And therefore C is equal to 155 divided by 9. That is equal somewhere around 17.
17.2.
17.2 degrees. 17.2 degrees. Now, in the first question, look at the first question. How many degrees will the H centigrade thermometer will rise if it rises by 63 degrees? Means the change in temperature is 63 degree, right? The change in temperature is 63 degree, not the temperature is 63 degree, right? So what we know that the fundamental interval of a centigrade thermometer or a Celsius thermometer is 100, whereas the fundamental interval in Fahrenheit is 180. So 100 intervals in centigrade scale is equal to 180 intervals in Fahrenheit scale. 180 intervals in Fahrenheit scale. So if there is a change in 63 degree, so we can write 1 degree change in Celsius or centigrade in one scale corresponds to a change of 180 by 100. That gives you 9 by 5, right? 9 by 5 degree change in Fahrenheit scale. In Fahrenheit scale. Am I clear? Am I clear? Similarly, 1 degree change in Fahrenheit scale corresponds to a change of 5 by 9 degrees. 5 by 9 degrees change in Celsius. Celsius. So here the question is, there is a 63 degrees change in the Fahrenheit scale, Fahrenheit thermometer. So how many change, what amount of change will be recorded in the Celsius scale? 5 by 9 of 63. 5 by 9 of 63. And you will get it as 5 by 9.
35.
By 9 of 63 is 35 degrees. 35 degrees. Okay. The answer will be 35 degrees.